Day 3 of testimony in the trial of Ahmaud Arbery's death is now wrapping up. Today, jurors watching surveillance video showing Arbery moments before he was shot and killed. 11 Alive's Joe Henke has been monitoring the trial. And Joe, what do the prosecutors want the jury to take away from that video?
Well, Ron, prosecutors emphasize the video shows Ahmaud Arbery going into a home under construction in the neighborhood, but he does not appear to take or steal anything. Defense attorneys have said the defendants suspected Arbery was a burglar and they were attempting to make a citizen's arrest.
Do you see him take anything or steal anything from this location?
No, ma'am.
Glenn County Police Detective Parker Marcy on the stand today walked the jury through surveillance video showing Ahmaud Arbery moments before he was killed. Arbery is seen walking into an under construction home. The same home cameras captured several people, including a black man, walking into in the weeks leading up to the shooting. These clips had been shared amongst some neighbors. After the shooting, Marcy interviewed Gregory McMichael at police headquarters. Reading from a transcript of that interview today, Marcy quoted Gregory about seeing Arbery running past his house and recalling the earlier security camera clips of the black man in the house under construction.
I mean, you know, there was no doubt in my mind as to who this guy was, none, you know, having seen the videos prior.
Gregory told Marcy he and his son Travis grabbed their guns, jumped in their truck, and began chasing after Arbery.
I said, stop, you know, I'll blow your head off or something. I was trying to convey to this guy we were not playing, you know.
Moments later, Travis McMichael shot Arbery. One of the first responding officers talked with Gregory McMichael at the scene, and reading from a transcript, the officer quoted Gregory saying Arbery was trying to get a shotgun out of Travis McMichael's hands.
To be perfectly honest with you, if I could have got a shot at the guy, I'd have shot him myself because he was that violently, and then we were interrupted again.
Did Greg McMichael ever indicate to you at that time that he thought Ahmaud Arbery, the guy, had committed a crime that day?
No, ma'am.
But Gregory shared his suspicion that Arbery was responsible for crimes in the neighborhood.
He's the one breaking in all these houses out here. He said that to you too?
Yes, sir.
Then he discussed the chase.
And what was his intent?
He said to hold him. He was going to hold him for county police so that he could either be arrested or identified.
And while Gregory McMichael said he intended to hold Arbery, according to testimony in court today, he never specifically said he was trying to make a citizen's arrest and never named a specific crime for which he would seek to arrest Arbery for. Ron?
All right. Thanks a lot, Joe, for the update there. Be sure to stay with 11 Alive for the latest on this trial. We're going to continue posting all the important updates from the courtroom online, and we're going to bring you all the highlights on air. You can also sign up for alerts through 11 Alive's our app.